No. But I can mute. Alrighty. Hello. Hi, Grim. Welcome back. All right, let's get this set up. Alrighty. This is what we got going. Let's see. I never got far in Resident Evil Village, so this will be interesting. I'm definitely trying to make up for all of the games I started and didn't finish when I was more stressed out. Alrighty. Because we finished Resident Evil 7 not too long ago. All right, let's take a look. See, what do we got here? Is it already downloaded? That is the question I have. It doesn't matter because it's not plugged into the console. 1 second. Okay. All right, let's see. If we're in luck, it'll already be downloaded. Let's see. Oh shit, no such luck. All right. Bet. We'll uninstall this one. Alrighty. And I need to open this on a different screen so I can see everything. There we go. Oh, okay. So I do have everything. Good to know. All right, we're installing this game. It'll hopefully not take too long. It usually doesn't. In the meantime, we'll just chat with each other. How's everyone doing? Da, 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 da. And still should get some food. Oh. Oh, that is such a fun one. I love Lady D because goddamn Lady D be bringing the squishies. Oh. All right, doing well. Stuff with the guild, but it's been a long day. How are you? I'm doing okay. What made your day so long? If you're willing to share, of course. I pretty much woke up, made food, and went straight to streaming. As I often do. I'm not sure if the background music can be heard or not because I can't hear it. Let me add a little audio monitor filter so I can. Oh, that's so loud. Holy shit. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to blast your eardrums. I'm so sorry. My bad. Streamer fuck up. Let's go. Alright, it looks like it's playable. But we're still waiting for it to finish downloading. Might as well. Oops. Bump the mic. I need to play the game that this is from eventually. This game, the soundtrack they're currently playing in the background is called To the Unknown World. And it is from the PlayStation 3 exclusive title called Folklore. In Japan, it was called Folk Soul, and it's basically about this girl who's looking for her mom. I think she's looking for her mom. It was never really clear if the mother was dead at the start of the game or not, but she's looking for her mom in Ireland, and she basically encounters a bunch of fairy folk. Fair folk, you know? Not sure I in hindsight, as a folklorist, I'm a huge fan of the game mechanics, but it's a fun little game. And in no way, no impact on my personality whatsoever. None, no, none at all. None, zero, none. Hold on, let me pull this up for everyone. So you can see how much, how full of crap I am. Let me see if I can find the, find a good picture of it. Alright, that's not quite what we're looking for. Alright, you know what? Why don't I just play a video of it for everyone? Especially since we're going to be waiting for the game to finish downloading. All right. We'll put it on the tutorial of shame. So people can watch it. All right, I don't know if the tutorial of shame actually has audio. Oh, it does have audio. Where's the audio coming from? Oh, okay.
The Big New Yorker for only $10. Don't forget to pizza before the...
What everyone wants.
Whoa.
What's that?
I just built a budgeting app in Base 44.
Guys.
Oh, good lord. There we go.
I lost my mother when I was very young. My only memory of her is telling me bedtime fairy tales about a mysterious village. The village of Lemric, where the living could meet the dead. And now she tells me she's alive. Mother, why did you wait so long?
They'll kill me. The village, Limerick. Help me.
Hey, hello.
I never did actually finish this game. I was just obsessed with what I did finish. There's two different Pops in this game. There's his Pop, and then there's the blonde girl's Pop. And I only ever finished the blonde girl's.
Is it you, Mother? Why won't you answer me?
Excuse me. Are you the one who telephoned me?
Who are you?
This was one of the launch titles that was showcasing the capabilities of PlayStation 3.
I'll say this just one more time. The Netherworld's a very dangerous place. If you go there, you may never make it back.
What is this music? Why is the music so intense?
The portal to the Netherworld lies beyond here. Go and see for yourself.
Sorry for that. I don't think I've ever heard this song associated with the game ever. I forgot his skin was great. Oh no.
I've already decided. I want to know everything.
Oh no. Okay. So, I'm sorry for how loud that ended up being. I hope everyone's awake now. I want to play that game for everyone at some point. I do own the title. And it would be really fun, I think, to play. I don't know how to explain the game to you other than it's just exploring the other world, capturing folks, or I guess capturing their souls. I don't know how I feel about that. And then searching for your mother and then trying to unravel the mystery of why she disappeared. It's a very charming game, and I feel like I'm not doing the story enough credit. There's lots of secrets in the little village that you go in, that you end up staying in, and then there's like that detective news reporter guy that also has his own perspective that I never actually finished, which might explain why I don't know how to explain the story very well. But I love the game dearly. Alright, without further ado, that seemed to be just enough time for the game that we're actually going to be playing to be ready. So, without further ado, let's get into this title. Is there a reason why I'm still hearing the song? Where's it coming from? Oh, it just refused to stop playing. Okay. Alrighty, subtitles definitely want on. Audio output. No. Surround sound. Headphones. Yes, headphones. Display English. Yep. Let's get the content on the screen. There we go. Yes, continue with these settings. Subtitle size. Where the hell am I? Subtitle color. Subtitle background. There's no small setting? Shocking. Go to bed, Lily. You're an adult. Take care of yourself. What pattern? What pattern am I supposed to be seeing? I beg the finest of pardons. Okay. First of all, let's disable any effects we have going on. But what pattern? What pattern? I don't see one. Am I supposed to see a pattern? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I don't see a pattern. What the fuck? Oh no. It's just a chessboard. No. The problem is that I couldn't see it on my screen. My brightness was set in such a way that I couldn't see it. I'm gonna go to sleep now. This is being a meanie butt, but have a good stream. Thank you. I'll be a meanie butt if you don't start taking care of yourself. I'm not playing with you, Lily. Start taking care of yourself better. Not joking. I don't know which I would prefer because having it in third person gives me Resident Evil 4 vibes, which I quite enjoy. First person is okay. Yeah, I think a lot of people would, but that's also like a difficult thing to do for some people. So sometimes reminders are good. Sometimes reminders are good. I don't think anyone particularly enjoys it when someone is having a difficult time with taking care of themselves. Least of all the person who's struggling. Oh, if she's just refusing, well, she can suffer then, I suppose. No mercy. This is a recap for people who are just joining.
Okay. Where to start? My name? It's Ethan. Ethan Winters. It's been 3 years since everything happened at the Baker house. I was looking for my wife, who disappeared. I got an email from her. She told me to come get her. And of course, that's how I ended up in the middle of nowhere, Louisiana. I found Mia being held captive in a dark basement. She wasn't thinking right. She attacked me like some kind of wild animal. Later on, I found out that she was infected by a special kind of mold. I looked all over the house trying to find an antidote, a vaccine, anything. The people who lived there were already infected. What was left of them wasn't human. The source of the infection was a bioweapon that looked like a little girl.
Yeah.
Her name was Evelyn. I fought the
Bloody
fucked
old
up
lady.
family and was able to treat Mia's symptoms with a serum.
Graham convinced me to do the non-canon ending, and I
Then Chris
regretted
Redfield
it
and his soldier
so
buddies showed up
hard.
and saved the both of us.
I trusted you, Graham. I trusted you. That ending just
Is
ended
that
in
enough?
misery.
I really don't want to talk about what happened anymore. It's all over now.
Hey, always listen to Grim. Grim is the smart one. Oh. I'm always right, except in relationships. I'm definitely wrong. Oh no. Well, that was a relationship type question, Grim. It's okay. I am sorry if I infect anybody with my yawns. You're gonna suffer with me. All right, let's go. Let's go. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. I don't got this. I'm scared, but we're gonna power through it anyway. I've been suffering. I get it. You know what? That's so fair. We'll take it easy on you. All right, let's go. Oh, I love this.
Long ago, a young girl went with her mother to pick berries for her father, who was hard at work. But the forest greeted them with a dark, cold silence, the bushes empty. Yet determined to find the berries, the rascal broke free from Mother's grasp and vanished into the trees. Mother's worried cries faded fast as the girl ran on, over vine and under branch, and into the forest deep. Feeling strange eyes upon her, the girl recalled Mother's scary bedtime tales, and her throat became bone dry. Then the Bat Lord appeared. He greeted her warmly and bit his own wing. "Come, child, quench your thirst," he said. So she drank the thick, dark blood and smiled with joy. Passing through the graveyard, menacing storm clouds loomed, and the air turned bitingly cold. The girl was shivering in her thin clothes. Then a dark weaver
You just don't
appeared,
do
and
relationships
with a
at this
click
point. That's
of his
valid.
fingers crafted mist into a beautiful dress.
This opening
Come,
scene is
child,
badass. I want an
warm
entire game just like this.
So she clothed herself and smiled with joy. Across waters deep and ominous she went, hoping a boat she found would carry her home. But hunger's grip tightened and her heart grew heavy. Then the Fish King appeared and offered one of his many fins. "Come, child, eat your fill." So the girl ate and smiled with joy once more. Continuing on, she soon entered the forest's dark heart. Then an iron steed appeared, bearing a beautiful golden gear. The creature said nothing as the girl approached and snatched what she thought was another gift. The horse grew angry and summoned the other monsters. Terror filled the girl's heart as the wild wind rose around the beasts. Suddenly, a witch appeared, dark, yet regal.
That's a story on entitlement.
Gifts we gave, but more you took, she snarled. So more in turn is due. In a blink, the girl was trapped inside a mirror. There. She's asleep.
What a
The creepy
story.
She's only 6 months old.
Woman at the store said it was traditional.
Jesus.
A local tale. Besides, Rose doesn't seem to mind.
Because she doesn't understand it. Thank God. We moved here so that she wouldn't have to deal with any of that, remember?
There's nothing wrong with my memory.
Jesus.
You're just being paranoid.
It's not.
God.
Never mind. I'm sorry.
What a
But I'm not
cunt thing to
paranoid. I'm
say.
just cautious.
Then, go cautiously take your daughter to bed. I'll finish dinner.
Jesus Christ. Making me regret saving you already. And it's only been, what, 5 minutes? Okay.
It's okay, Rose. Your mother doesn't want to remember. I can't.
I'm not a
blame
huge
her.
fan of babies.
Did you say something?
Nothing. I'll put her down.
Oh my god, we can kind of see his face now. It's not much, but it's something. Standard white man. Stop hiding your face from us, Ethan. You could say we can finally face him. Well, not quite. Took forever to pick these wipes. Alright, this does not feel good. This does not feel like the right choice. How do I change the view mode? Oh dear. Alright, we're gonna have to... It can be all in first person?
Did you say something?
Nothing.
Alright, I'm gonna fix this real quick. Yeah. This game is giving me the option now. It didn't used to have that option though.
Did you say something?
Nothing. I'll put her
Yeah,
down.
you can tell this was the intended perspective. Look forever to pick these wipes. It's just so dark. All right, let's fix the display. Why is ray tracing off? Hold on. All right, start game. Options. Game settings. Camera setting. All right. on. Also, Kitty, Chrissy, thank you for the bits. Also, thank you for the hydrate.
Did you say something?
Nothing. I'll put her down.
Oh no, my camera's inverted. Oh no, the camera's inverted. That's what happens when I start messing with things. All right. Ugh. Sorry, I said that out loud. That was supposed to be an inside thought.
Oh, Mia.
This is one of my paranoias.
What a miracle.
Not paranoias, phobias.
3 years ago, I couldn't even imagine something like this would happen. Once you're a big girl, we'll have a drink together, all right?
Rose's food, February 6th. Rice cereal, banana puree, sweet potato puree, boiled spinach and cream. Ethan, do not give her any sugar or honey, and no mushrooms. Okay.
Don't get too close to me when I'm cooking, babe.
Okay. I don't think I've ever been allowed back here before.
Mia makes everything by hand, so this stuff keeps piling up.
Yeah, I can see that. Good for her. Looks like there's a lot of new stuff from the default game. Rose's birthday. Rose's half birthday. So 6 months. What?
Her birthday will be here before we know it.
They grow up fast. Let's just enjoy it while we can.
What is a half birthday? That's not a birthday. Oh, okay. Whatever. Really excited folk do it to celebrate more. All right. I'm not gonna bash on people's excitement there. I personally don't get it,
It's going to grow
but
beautiful.
not for me to get or understand. They do them. It makes them happy. That's all that matters.
They're there. It's
They
like I
really
said
love their
to your
kids, so
mom.
they like to celebrate
That
their
book's
kid.
too scary for
That's
you.
fair.
Your mama and I love this song so much.
Music box Grandma gave us for our wedding. Is Grandma still in the room with us? Mia's medication. She's been on a strict regimen ever since the incident. The incident is quite a term for it, Ethan. Quite a word. Damn, I'm saying folk a lot. The Midwest is coming out of me. That's valid. Creepy bobble.
Why do I even keep this around? I should get rid of it someday.
Yeah, that's a great question, Ethan. Why do you keep it around? Weren't those like everywhere in the last game?
Gotta do a deep clean before Rose starts walking around.
Curtain closes on the Dulvey gas incident. The committee completed their investigation on the 18th into the Dulvey toxic gas leak in Louisiana in 2017. They concluded the deaths were caused by a leak of natural gas that had built up in the mud rock under the area. Jack Baker, 57, and his family, who were exposed to the gas, perished. Ethan Winters and his wife were also believed to have been nearby, but their current whereabouts are unknown. The entire area has been closed off by officials who believe it will be at least 10 years before the area is habitable again. That's quite the cover story.
Everyone's forgotten about this already.
As long as the South doesn't come out of me. Oh, I'm sorry.
Almost there, honey.
Door opened on its own. I don't like it. Rose is closed for tomorrow. February 6th, 2021, me and I had another fight. I accidentally mentioned what happened 3 years ago and she blew up at me. We finally settled down in our new life in Europe and can bring Rose up properly, but I still feel a part of me is trapped in that hellhole back in Louisiana. I know Mia doesn't like to talk about it, but can we really just forget everything and pretend it didn't happen? Shouldn't we face what happened there so we can live our lives with Rose without it hanging over our heads? We owe her that much at least. I know Mia knows this too. She wouldn't have exploded like that at the hospital if she didn't care. If more of the Midwest comes out of me, I'm going to be starting to farm and get some chickens. My brother had chickens at one point. He just spontaneously bought them and brought them, kept nowhere to put them. You know, just spontaneously bought chicks. Rosemary Winters, date of birth 2/8/2020. So it's not a half birthday. Screenings. Hearing, vision, touch, reflex test. All results show no issue. Patient is in good health. Other notes. Results for additional fungal pathogen tests will be provided by the BSAA. Applefeld Memorial Hospital.
Rose is fine.
Well, hi there, little Rose.
I swear there's new things here that I don't remember being in the original. Gun Survivalist, a heavy firearms manual
It's
for
not
field
paranoia
combat.
if they're really out to get you.
Manual for field combat situations by Joseph Kendall. What a happy little family.
I wish it could stay like this forever.
Yo, Loopy, thank you for the gifted subs.
Can't keep your
Thank
mother
you for the
waiting.
5 gifted subs,
She's scared when
Luffy.
she's angry.
Holy shit, thank you. Sound alerts are not working right now because I broke them earlier. I'm so sorry. Oh, I should be putting this baby in the crib, shouldn't I? You love this game? Hells yeah. I love the Resident Evil franchise.
There you go, sweetheart. Don't you worry. I'll be right downstairs. Daddy won't let those weird fairy tale monsters get you.
Also, I'm sure they will stay a happy family forever. Nothing bad will happen. I'm sure this is just a happy family simulator game. Right? What are they gonna, what could they possibly, for those who don't know, what could they possibly do to make this happier? Oh dear. Hi.
Is she okay?
Sleeping like a baby. That smells good. What's that?
Oh, hands off, mister. It's churba de legume. It's a local recipe.
Wow, you've gone full native, haven't you?
Local wine, too. But if you're gonna keep sulking all evening, maybe you shouldn't have any. You really have to stop worrying.
It's just finding you in Louisiana, the pregnancy, Chris moving us here, military training, it all happened so fast, you know?
Well, at least we're all together. You, me, Rose. Now, everything's gonna
Seriously, think we can just forget about what happened in Louisiana?
It happened so long ago. I don't
3 years
understand
is
why
not
you are
long,
so...
lady.
Mia, get down! Mia!
Ooh, boy.
Mia, oh God.
I just waiting to get the new 18-wheeler truck after mine got stolen. Luckily, I didn't own it, so it's not on my dime.
Chris, what the hell?
Sorry, Ethan.
No! What? Why?
What a wonderful, happy family simulator game. Yeah.
Go move! All clear.
Rose? What the hell you doing with my daughter?
Package secure, sir. Take him away.
I said get your hands off her!
Ethan, no.
Rose.
Get him out.
Yeah, I'm very curious too. How does a semi just get stolen? Yeah, that is gonna leave a mark. Also, to be 100% clear, I fully believed it happened. I'm just confused.
Hey, Doc.
Hello, Mr. Winters. I've got your daughter's results back, and I'd like you to come in to talk about them. How about next Thursday, 4 o'clock?
No problem. We'll be there. That was the doc. She'll see us next week.
Too bad we'll never see that mark, because we'll never see his face. Right?
We talked about this.
I know. We hardly talk about anything else. I keep telling you, it's not Rose that I'm worried about.
Well, then what are you worried about? Look, she's gonna be fine. I just know it. What else matters?
We matter, Ethan! You matter! You just won't.
Mia, what are you talking about? Is there something you're not telling me? Come on, talk to me. Damn it. I have to take this.
You think she knew this was gonna happen?
Jesus.
About damn time. What's your status? Is the package safe?
What are you talking about? Where's Chris Redfield? And Rose? Fuck.
Well, shit.
What the hell?
Things are about to get
happened
real weird. Ah, yes. Walking through pure darkness. My favorite thing in the whole wide world. Alright, let's take a look at what's around us first and foremost. Mission objectives: eliminate target, recover bodies, secure Rosemary Winters and Ethan Winters. Move the two Winters to the Site C for further investigation. At least 2 transport officers to accompany them. Zoom in. It's useless. Is there anything in here I can... Nope. Alright. Yes, no. What about a flashlight? We got a flashlight? I suppose not. Well, shit. Okay. That's stupid. Yeah, I agree. Just gonna wander in the darkness for a hot minute here. I'll be right back and annoy my wife. All right, have fun. All right. I've had about enough of this darkness already. Oh, do I crouch? That's okay, Ethan. You've done worse. You've handled worse. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Well, shit. Wait, what? What was that? Oh! I forgot that was there. Oh! Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right. Uh-huh. Oh, they're everywhere, are they? Holy shit. That one is still alive. Oh. I want to help it, but I can't. What? Okay. Whatever. What am I now? Follow the blood splatters, because that always ends well. Jesus Christ, oh, there's more. Am I even going the right way? No, I'm not. I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards, because of course I'm going backwards. Baby. Okay. Nope. Do not. Do not. I know. Don't look at me like you're pissed. Never mind, I'm gonna do my first playthrough of Resi 2. Oh yeah? Damn, what a shame. Guess gotta leave a prank for her. Look at me like you hate me. Oh god, we're fine. We're fine. She doesn't hate me. She's just mad because I gave her meds earlier. Okay, then here. Anything useful? No. Nothing useful. That's some dirty water. Damn, everything's dead in here too. I mean, whatever this was supposed to be looks fine, provided it's not... Oh, well, that might be neat. I don't know. I can't read whatever to like. Oh! Fuck. Alright. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. In here. Oh. It's not so bad. Weren't those? Anyway. Fox, owl.
Don't turn your back. Don't look away.
Fuck
and don't
you.
blink.
How dare you? Alright, I don't like being in the darkness. I want a flashlight, thank you. He looks nice. Okay. 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 What the fuck was that? Oh. Oops. Oh. Just crawl. Ew.
What's it all
Joy. Don't suppose there's anything of use back here either. Nope. All right. can't have been gone for that long. I'm surprised by how bright it is already. Okay.
Where the hell am I?
Oh, it's pretty. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of fine tuning. Give me just a second. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Content filters. And we're gonna. I'm gonna make this game pop a little bit more. Or try to. Let's see if that does it. Yeah, that does it. Alrighty. Onwards and forward. Oh, jeez. Well, that sucks. Not a fan of that.
Maybe they're out.
The potatoes are like, where's the fucking soil? That looks weirdly fresh. I'm not used to seeing things look that fresh in a Resident Evil game. Yeah. Well, with the exception of the potatoes that were forgotten, this... Huh. Well, that's just the fluff been torn out. Okay. There's that bitch again. So you know she's important. I mean, it's a she. Oh, some of those are bloody. That's not a good sign. That's a bad omen. Oh, wait. The blood might be from the horse. Oh, I don't trust it either. Fresh people stew yum. No, Grim. Bad. Bad. Yes and no. I never got very far into this game, for whatever that's worth. I did the thing that I always do, which is to say I started it, I forgot I started it, and then I never got very far into it. I got maybe an hour or two in. I got a couple of Lady D's daughters, and that was it. If memory serves me properly.
What happened?
Something tells me we're not in Kansas anymore. Oh, that ain't Lady. That's Mommy. Oh. Oh, is it? And on a different note, even if I had played it before, depending on which system member played it, entirely up in the air as to whether or not I remember anything about it. There's a lot of, and sometimes sometimes with other games is we'll have started it so long ago that we don't remember anything about it. Well, there's the yellow paint. Knife! Ah, stab it. Give me that. Ah, that is what I was expecting. More so this.
Run out of the house?
Oh, that might actually just be a bone broth. Everyone living in squalor. Like, I understand that people are poor, but like, poor people, even when they're poor, do take care of their things, usually. Unless they have severe mental illness. Which is not unheard of when your poverty does tend to lend itself to mental illness, but that's beside the point.
Shit.
Oh. Well, I guess there's no going back that way. Oh, this person liked hunting. Those look like young deer. Some of those look like rams. I've got 2 sets of antlers that are similar to these in my curio cabinet.
Friendly.
Shit!
Who are you? Who sent you?
Nobody. There was an accident down on the road and...
They weren't necessarily poor until recently.
Oh no. They're coming.
Who is? What the hell was that?
Do you have a gun?
What?
Please tell me you have a gun.
No, why would I?
I'll post pictures of it later. It's just a place where I store my folklore books.
Take it!
So that way my cats don't shred them.
No, it's out there. Hey, are you listening?
Hey!
Oh! Bye-bye.
What the?
Oh. Oh! Oh!
Dead body? Wait, there's more.
Oh yeah, there are. That looks like a mother and a son. Oh god. Oh, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Oh, Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
All right.
What the hell is wrong with this place?
A lot of things, Ethan. Let's move on. Oh. He kind of looks like Alistair from Dragon Age. Ow! Ethan, then you just can't win with your hand, can you?
Shit! What the fuck was that? No.
When did we get the gun?
What the hell?
Oh, it was given to us recently, I think. That old man gave it to us. Bolt cutters? Bolt cutters. Yeah, there's definitely a switch between whenever we started playing and now, because I don't remember being given this gun. I'm assuming it just happened too. Jesus, do we have a flashlight? Oh, of course we don't. That made my stomach hurt. Chem fluid. Oh. Very nice, very nice. Those apples look pretty good. Hi, baby. Those mirrors look dirty. It doesn't look like yours? What does yours look like? Oh, that's a window. Oh, plant. Pee-pee. Oh, that's kind of pretty looking. Hi, pee-pee. Hello. Baby. Hold on. I'm gonna have to move my mic 1 second. So my mic got moved. Okay, I've moved the mic, so hopefully that's in a better position because I was trying to figure out why the stand kept popping off, and I have come to the realization it is because my cat likes to rub her face on it. The whole reason is because my cat likes to rub her face on it. So I have moved it, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Alrighty. Alrighty. It's very dark out here. I don't like it. Oh, windy too. Okay. Only way to progress is to move forward, so I gotta keep going. Oh no. Me and my trusty knife will get far. I like the basic weapons in most games. Do the what? Wait a minute. Do the knives break? Do I get infinite knife or do the knives break? Freedom! Ow! Oh shit. You're good, no breaking knives? Alright. I don't think I can go that way, but I had to try. What's behind the haystack? I would like a flashlight. Do I get a flashlight? When do I get a uh-oh. Okay. Bye. I have a feeling I'm gonna wanna... There we go. Oh joy. Pick up. What? Oh! Whoa! No, 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 no. I'm fluid. Whoa! Whoa! Hi, buddy! Is that a dead person? Oh, that's a dead person. Oh, shit. Damn it. If I back myself into a corner, will it be fine? Give me a second. Let me switch around the screens. Oh no. Hey, buddy! You're just trying to wave at you. No, I don't think so.
Is it? Over?
Oh, God, no.
Hello. If there are any survivors out there, come to Louisa's house near the fields.
Survivors?
Okay. I don't want to leave this house. Ew. Gross. Shit. I ain't running.
Damn it.
Come on. Does this mean I'm infected?
There's no end to them.
Get away from me.
No, 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 no.
I started blasting. Bang!
Fuck! Jesus Christ! Oh shit! No, no, oh no, 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 no. Alright, time to run, time to run, time to run, time to run, time to run.
out of hand fast.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck these guys. Ew. Oh. Oh. Okay. This is again reminding me of Resident Evil 4. Jesus Christ, Ethan. At least you still got your wedding band. Yeah, I don't trust her.
Wait.
She screams, I'm the real villain all along. Hi, alien. I only have 2 rings. One is an owl to match my tattoo and an opal ring for my birthstone. All right. Birthstone. Sorry. I speak English. I swear. When am I getting my... Ooh, don't mind if I do. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright, I'll take that too. I can't handle any kind of arm decoration. All right. Oh. Kids lived here. That's unfortunate. Damn, that sure would have been nice X amount of time ago. Elsie. Ooh. In the basement. What's that? Ooh, yes. Scrap, please. More. Wait, is this the end of the basement? Flower bags. Stack flower blasts to create a cloud of cover. Oh. Oh, I'm supposed to be talking to that lady, aren't I?
In life and in death, we
We give glory.
Hello? You shouldn't be out here. It's not safe.
Anything's edible
What
once.
the hell? Hey, can you hear me?
It's you, the child's father.
Child? Hey, wait. Do you mean Rose? Is she here?
Rose! Rose, yes. She is in great danger. Since Mother Miranda brought her to the village, we have fallen into darkness.
What are you talking about? The monsters?
Oops, sorry.
The castle bell heralds danger. They're coming.
Who the fuck is coming?
Where's Rose? Who's Mother Miranda?
Certainly not me.
The bell tolls for us all.
Oh, thank you for the follow.
Again.
Rose is here?
Oh my god, it's YouTube. Yeah, it is YouTube. Hello, Raiders. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember to drink water. Thank you. I shall. Oh, more chem fluid. Okay. Oh, great lichens, the fabled monster wolves of old. Fabled monster wolves of old. May they come to eat our flesh. May they come to tear us apart. Oh, not gold again. Okay. Okay. This is just what we're doing today, I suppose. I suppose. Ooh. Damn it. How was your stream? I don't understand if you have to raid and dash. I'm gonna be honest, it's Mr. Insane. I read your username as It's Mizreen, and I'm like, oh, that's a clever name. And then I took a extra second to look at it, and I said, oh, that says It's Mr. Insane. Why so crazy? Oh, interesting. Huh. There's a ram on there. Considering the number of ram heads, they must not like... Oh. Oh, I see something flickering in the shield eye. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Can I reach that? Oh. Crystal fragment, give me that. Considering all of the goat heads we saw earlier, they must really not like whoever this is. Sign a bright future for ram prizes. One can hope, but probably not. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, there's an herb. I will take that. Yes, please. Thank you. What? Oh, okay. Oh, that should disaster fall upon the village, seek out the crest. One is in the care of the church, the other is at Louisa's house. Oh. Okay. Why does one of them look like, I don't know, Uncanny Valley Freako? What's behind the church? What's behind the church? Can I break this? Oh. I need a lever. Or a crank. Okie doke. That doesn't feel like my problem right now. Maybe it will be later.
Guess this leads to the castle.
Okay. Okay, whatever. Moving on. Wasn't I just here? Yeah, I was. Alright. I'm walking around in a big ass circle. Red chimney. Oh, I can't go anywhere. Okay. Well, I didn't want to go that way anyway. That was a bunch of different color yarn. Gunpowder. That's useful. Locked from the other side. Am I trapped in here? What? Huh? No, that can't be right. Castle Dimitrescu. Ceremony site. Maybe if I go up this way? Locked from the other side. Do I still have my bolt cutters? No, I don't. Why would you get rid of them? Ethan! Why would you get rid of the bolt cutters? Unless they're like broken beyond usage. I can see that being a problem. There's nothing in here for me. I don't know why I keep going back. Okay, but what's at the shrine? There's a bright little shrine up here. We offer these goats a warding to protect the village and its people. Any who break them shall feel Mother Miranda's wrath. I do not care about this Mother Miranda chick. I really don't. Stream was fun? No worries. Glad to hear your stream was fun. What were you playing? Oh, you know, maybe if I go the linear route, maybe I'll find what I need to be. Instead of making everything harder for myself. I see you skulking around. Come on. Get out from hiding. Ugh. Annoying son of a bitch. Anyway. Where'd the other guy land? I can hear them. Where is it? Is it back here still? Hi! Dude was literally stalking me and I turned around and boom, there he was. You were playing your stream Minecraft World? Oh, hell yeah.
Shit.
Papa, there's someone. Close the door. Please.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Stay back.
Please.
Oh dear.
Don't hurt us.
Whoa. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just glad to see normal people at last. Have you seen any other survivors?
No.
Normal people?
They're all in Louise's house. And she's not answering and the gate is locked.
Quiet girl. He's an outsider.
Oh. Shit,
Were they left out as a
Can the old man
sacrifice?
walk?
No. One of the monsters cut him. He's lost a lot of blood. We have to get into Louise's house.
I don't trust that.
Must be a way inside. Stay here. Be quiet. And don't move until I get those gates open.
All right. Okay. Yay, more handgun ammo.
Come on, Papa.
Oh, shit. Ah! Ew. Oh, hi. Oh, your teeth look absolutely foul. Ooh, ooh. It's definitely not my best moment right now. Alright, alright. Yeah, please, just continue biting me for the love of God. Wait, was that all of them? Why did their heads just start exploding? Was I just not killing them off? That's a good possibility. That is a distinct possibility that I just wasn't killing them off.
We must do something quick.
What am I supposed to be doing? View information on the map. Oh dear. I forgot what I was supposed to be doing already. I think finding a way in.
If we don't hurry, they'll...
There aren't any more. They're all dead. Is there a straggler out here? Oh God, if there's a straggler out here, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. No, we'll save. There we go. Oh, do they need med kits? Is that what they need? Suppose I could give it to them. Shotgun ammo, let's go. Truth be told, I don't know what the current objective is. What am I doing for these people? Okay. So good luck, I guess? Oh. I don't know what that means, but no spoilers, please. Find a way to open the castle gate. Find shelter in Louisa's house. Outer gate. What am I supposed to do for you people? Don't call me darling. That feels very patronizing. You don't know me like that. I don't let men who aren't my partner call me darling. Maybe out here somewhere? I'm looking for something out here, possibly? Okay. I've had enough. Hold on. I need to rewatch what was said because I don't remember what I was even asked to do. All right, behold, tutorial of shame. All right. First 40 minutes. Already looking for help. Jesus Christ. Darlene is a pet name for a lot of people. Okay, Theseus. So, a lot of the times, Darlene is used in reference to women in a very patronizing manner. And unless you've experienced it or seen it or heard a woman explain it in depth, which I'm not going to because I don't have the fucking energy to do that today, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Depending on who is saying it, it can either be the sweetest thing ever or the most annoying thing ever. Don't just call random people darling. It gives old lady talking smack about you. Is what it tends to give. The best way I can explain it is like when little old ladies are like, oh, bless her heart. It gives that kind of vibe. I don't, pet names are not pronouns. I'm very confused by the conversation. I'm confused by how you got here. I am, however, about to lose my bloody mind trying to figure out where to go. Everything just kind of looks the same to me. Why are we talking about pronouns? Theseus, is English not your first language? I'm genuinely asking. All right, I'm losing my mind trying to figure this out. Because it's obviously right in front of me and I'm just missing it. I'm stupid as hell. All right, that makes sense. I'm just blind. Apparently. Don't mock me, Silver. The sting of defeat is already bitter. Silver's the kitten. It's your first language. I was homeschooled in. Did you just not? I'm asking very genuinely. Did you just not know what a pronoun was? At this point, I no longer know what the conversation or the question is. I'm so sorry. Behold, my skills at getting lost. So I think this was the way I was supposed to go? Nope. Nope. Up here. Then around up here. Yeah, that's definitely not it either. What the fuck? Map. I get all the way over here. All right. How am I this lost? How did I get lost? How am I lost? All right, and there's only one way through here. So if we go out here, I get lost. This doesn't open. The only thing I can think of is that we're experiencing a very long switch. In which case, I should probably stop fighting it and just wait. This feels like my brain running a loop and I'm just not recognizing it. Let's go to the graveyard. No, I'm very thoroughly lost, Grim. Up to you. Church. Go to the church. This is the no, that's not the church. How did I get here? Go up here. Go through here. Oh. Okay. I quite like pineapple stuffed crust. Hey, little baby. Little orange. Stop it. I've got the little orange in my hands. I prefer to stuff my crust with things I can't say on Twitter. Oh! Hi, babe. Hello. Would you mind keeping me company while we play? Fantastic. I'll be in our server then. Alrighty. Babe? I have a question for you. You're the linguistics person. I cannot hear you, though. Am I deafened? No, I just can't hear you. Hello? Oh, that's bullshit. Not connecting me? Local government is very important. Are we talking about local government? Hello.
I can hear you.
Yeah, I love a linguistics question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Pet names. Why are they not pronouns?
So a name does not exist and cannot be existent as a pronoun, as once you have given a name to an object, the name itself is replacing the functional terminology of that noun. So a name is in and of itself linguistically a noun.
So, darling, for example, would be a noun.
Darling, I believe, does not exist as...
See, this is why we ask you.
Darling, I believe, is a noun. It is either a noun or an adjective. It is not existent as a pronoun. In terms of the English lexicon, it would be because it is replacing a name, a noun. Any nickname, I believe, is existent as a noun in the linguistics of the English language, not a pronoun. They're either nouns or adjectives.
Yep, and sometimes they can be used as either or.
Yes.
Words are not static, in other words. They're flexible.
And if you want to, if anyone needs proof of that, go to Oxford. Or go to, I believe Webster will also tell you the same thing.
Come on, it's clear.
I just knew my partner would be able to explain that way better than me, and I was getting hung up on... I think I had a really long switch, babe. I think when we get lost in video games, it's us being unable to, like, fully switch into the front.
We'll be safe in here.
Yeah.
Safer here than out there, that's for sure. Hey, do you know anything about what's going on around here?
So the difference, to answer the question, between a noun and a pronoun is that a noun is the de facto name of a proper item or a proper thing. This can be a person, this can be an object, it can be a place, but the noun is what they are and who they are.
Just hold on a bit longer.
That means pet names are existent only ever as nouns. A pronoun is a placeholder used to avoid repetition. So a pet name does not exist as a placeholder. It exists as an additive name. Any nickname or pet name you give to someone is as much their name as the one their parents have given them or the ones they have chosen themselves. Because of this is the same reason that under legality, you can choose your own name, because the only weight and meaning that that name has to you is the weight and meaning that is given to it. It's just that the actual name that you have as that noun identifying yourself must be recorded in legality, so you must get it changed through legal channels and etc. But there's a difference there with pronouns.
Maybe a familiar voice.
This is why
So-
you also don't give the Fae anything you've ever gone by.
This is also why there is a big argument that happens that honestly just doesn't need to happen, because if you understand the difference between why, like, if you understand the difference between nouns and pronouns and why pet names, nicknames, and referrals aren't pronouns, that there's this big argument over my guy, bro, dude, chick, girl, lady, etc. Because those don't exist in the lexicon linguistically as pronouns. They're just nouns,
Make yourself useful and check the grounds.
as far as I'm aware.
Thank you, babe.
If Elena trusts you, then so do I. Come inside, Ethan.
I believe quite a few of them also exist, because I know dude is also a verb. It means to like dress up. Yes. So dude, it means to like dress up in an elaborate fashion or in a very fanciful fashion.
How archaic is that definition?
Let me look that up for you. It was in the late 19th century, usually denoting, I believe, dandies. Most likely shortened from doodle, with allusions assumed from Yankee Doodle. And its first height in popularity was actually in the 1800s, in the early stage of the 1800s, and then it wasn't really seen in lexicon until 1860 something, 1870 something.
Makes a lot of sense. Thank you, babe. Also, thank you, Grim, for redirecting the conversation when I was very clearly overwhelmed. I appreciate you. Louisa.
So
Oh, sorry.
no, I was gonna say, so if you're looking at like, like what's the beef with like dude and chick and girl and my guy and etc. is that like it's either performative or it's based off of a misunderstanding of the way that the language works. Because don't get me wrong, they could be. There is the potential for them to be, because pronouns only exist in a sort of job state where they are only a pronoun is only a pronoun because it has a job to do in a sentence. But the words themselves exist outside of that job. So if something is in the place where a pronoun should be, and it's a word like dude, sis, bro, etc., technically speaking, observing it as a pronoun has linguistic credence, but is not linguistically correct. And there's a big difference between those two.
I actually didn't read that. Hold on. Louisa, they broke in again. Got more of the livestock. I don't think we'll make it through winter at this rate. Ernest is still missing too. We can't find him anywhere. Has Mother Miranda abandoned?
Yeah, in case y'all were wondering, I'm very autistic about linguistics. It's one of my special interests.
That's why I asked you, and I was happy to see you.
Others are waiting.
Mm-hmm.
The fuck is this? Outsiders, you're gonna get us all killed.
Quiet, Anton. He helped Leonardo and Elena.
We were doing fine by ourselves.
Please, Ethan, take a seat.
So the only context is that it's replacing the person's name and is in the name placement. So if you are referring to someone with a pet name of Georgie for some reason, that's a noun. Regardless of the gender assumption that is being made, it holds no gender. There is not a single name on the planet actually that holds a gender that is legitimate. So if the concern is contextual gender identification, that's subjectively up to the individual. But in terms of like the job that it would be taking, a pet name is a name, hence why it's called a pet name, and is therefore a noun.
That's enough. This house
Whereas the pronoun can never be relevant to the name. It's only ever relevant to the perceived identity of the person. So,
please tell me, what the
for instance, if you're calling someone,
we don't know. One day we were a quiet,
like if you like brother or whatever, like the I think the Hulk Hogan meme or whatever, then that is existent, dependent on context as a noun.
No.
That's what you're saying instead of their name. Whereas if you were saying my brother,
he went to get help.
It's a descriptive pronoun.
Yes, that's.
Which is an entirely different kind of pronoun.
Let us pray. For him.
Because at that point, the job that the word has in the sentence is to not only identify the relationship of the person to you, but their identified gender.
Great ones, hear our voice. Together as one in reverence, we call on thee within the endless dark.
There's also a lot of just even going off further, there's a lot of complications there where like you break into, well, if I call someone like Brother Michael, brother at that point is an adjective. It's neither a noun or a pronoun. It's a descriptor.
And in death.
So you have to contend with sometimes linguistically, especially in terms of sentence context, of this thing is typically a noun or it's typically a pronoun. But now it's in the adjective state.
There was an old woman near the graveyard.
And that's one of the things that makes translation difficult, is sometimes that context is cultural, and if you're trying to translate it from outside the culture, or if that segment of the culture is functionally dead, and that context no longer exists, That's how we end up with words that, like, we know that they're a descriptor of a person in a certain way. We just don't know what they mean.
What are you doing? Leonardo, what's wrong? Are you okay?
He just turned.
Father!
Elena, no, stay back!
No, let me go!
Brother could technically function as a pronoun more often than not, even in the "this is my brother" context of a statement of a sentence. It's probably going to be viewed more as an adjective.
We need to eliminate what is not in because I think Theseus is getting hung up on what can be or cannot be a pronoun. So we need to start like hacking off what cannot be a pronoun. Because that seemed to be what he was confused by. She. Fuck! I skipped the cutscene.
So the things that cannot function as pronouns are nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, I believe. Because they're not able to stand for what's called the noun phrase. So things like duel, things like joy, things like swim, like when they're referred to in the, or I guess joyous is better, because when they're in the adjective stage, like joyous, if they're in the noun stage, like stool, if they're in the verbiage stage, like swim, those cannot exist as any kind of pronoun. Things that can are words that act as a way of terms of addressing a person in a certain way. They can exist as pronouns, but rarely exist as pronouns to my understanding, because they're more commonly and more likely to be used as adjectives or descriptors. And a pronoun is more of a defunct statement of identity. Like in the instance of, if I were to go, I am a guy, guy is the pronoun. In that context, I am a pronoun is I am a guy. But if I were to look at someone and go, my guy, that exists as a form of pet name and therefore a form of noun. Because then my guy is the noun phrase.
It's complicated and the rules change.
Yes. And the rules change as the conversation progresses.
Mm-hmm.
Although, typically speaking, the stage at which that word exists in will not change as the conversation flows. That's what is typical. In a statement or phrase, if you start off by calling someone my dude, that's the noun. That's the noun phrase, my dude. If the my is dropped off of that, and throughout the statement it just becomes dude, that's a noun. That's still a noun. It's still in the noun stage. I think contextually, the only way, and this is where it gets complicated, that it changes from noun into pronoun or adjective / adverb into pronoun is with the intent changing of the phrase. And that comes with tonality. So if this goes from my dude, yada 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 yada, dude yada yada, into turning away from that person, referring to someone else and going, this dude, with that kind of condescending like tonality and sort of almost insulting tonality, that changes the way that that the linguistics is now flowing. That changes now the stage in which the word exists and could be potentially referred to or looked at and seen as and even taken as a potential pronoun applied to that person. But that's based on context, that's based on tone, and that's based on how you allow yourself to take it. This is the tricky part about language, is that you can sort of choose in that moment what that word means. It's the same way that we get colloquialisms, which is one of the reasons that I fucking hate colloquialisms, because a lot of them end up being just wrong usages of words.
Also, so we're not talking endlessly over the game. Further conversation can be redirected to Grotto Discord.
Yeah. To answer the last one, no, in that example, dude is so buff, dude is a noun. If there's nothing else in front of it that would take it out of the noun phrase, even saying that dude is so buff, that's still a noun phrase. So saying dude is so buff is not a pronoun.
Babe, I'm gonna bite you. Alright, Theseus, to Discord with ye. To Discord with ye. Alright. I'm glad it helped.
What are you thinking?
Step back. We can bust out with
Also,
this.
thank you again, babe. I was genuinely just admiring the textures while you were talking.
You're good.
Wait, what? Damn, Shazam!
I go feral for linguistics, so it's easy for me to like immediately ignore whatever anyone else around me is doing to like focus on that.
I know. That's why I redirected you.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. Let me back up again.
The fire. There isn't any time.
Nowhere to go but up.
And again, thank you to Grim for like moderating when I was overwhelmed. I appreciate you and your ability to read people very well.
Let's move.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, and try not to breathe in the smoke.
I know. Thank you, Ethan. You're kind. I hope your family is safe.
I do too. Once we...
Ooh.
Come on, it'll hold. There. That's our way out.
Thank God. But what then? The village is still full of monsters. We can't fight them. There's too many.
Hey, don't talk like that. We'll find a safe house to put you in until I can find my daughter. My hunch is she's in that old castle.
No. That place is full of nothing but blood and death. And I don't want to be alone while you're... Father?
Elena, no. That's not him. Not anymore.
He said my name. Father!
Wait, it's not safe. Stay there. Come on. Give me your hand.
Ethan, go. Save your daughter.
Elena, don't give up. Reach for me.
Oh, shit.
God damn it.
Well, damn. Got a little roasty toasty.
Why is everyone dying on me?
Ethan, it's just not your day. Not that it ever was your day. Ooh, did I accidentally close one of the projectors? My bad. Guys, never Ethan's day.
don't get it.
Is there anything in here I can pick up? No. Of course not. Capcom straight up has a hate boner for him. I can believe it. I can't help but feel like Ethan was based on somebody that they hated, and then the devs just like threw everything at this guy as like cope. Also, I'm tired of fixing the fuck ups of white men. Arguably, Ethan didn't do anything, as far as I'm aware right now, as far as I'm aware yet, to deserve this. He's just kind of like there. But like, there are so many video games where they just start out as you fixing the fuck ups of average white men. Open the... Why can't I open that all of a sudden? That's stupid. Well. Well, first I did, Zoe. And then I absolutely hated everything about it and everything that... everywhere where it was going. So... almost exactly at the end, I changed, I reloaded because I couldn't handle it anymore.
Who's there?
And then I picked Mia.
Mother Miranda! Hey!
Creepy motherfucker.
Who was... what was that?
I'm excited for it.
Emotional damage.
I can't wait to see old Leon. Because he might be too old for me right now, but just wait, when I'm older, he's gonna be just the right age for me. Listen, they gave him the Flynn Rider treatment by gathering a bunch of women within Capcom to discuss how he should look as an old man.
Wow, wow, wow. It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Nah, no fuck ups. Wait, did I grab the thing I was supposed to grab from out of there? Yeah, I did. Very good. Because trust me, I have just walked away from places like that without getting the things I needed first. Ethan, you pissed me off.
Death. Yes. Death has visited them all.
All right, song, let's keep it a little tame, okay? Thank you. in danger. Just a request. I need to put this in the door. In the door. The door. It's the door. It's up here. Oh, those are hands.
Nothing but blood and death. Huh?
Ew. Oh no.
Well, well. Didn't think anyone was left.
I recognize that hammer.
Huh.
At least I think
Who
it's
the
the
fuck
same
are
hammer.
you?
Oh, you're not local. Even better.
Ow.
Mother
Jesus.
Miranda's gonna love you.
Okay, discount Van Helsing. Ooh. That's a small hammer. Yeah, I suppose it would seem small to you, wouldn't it, Grub?
Wait, you're whining. We're almost there.
Any hammer you've wielded is probably like twice the size easily.
The man is of no real use.
You've
to
swung
anyone else,
larger?
and my daughters do so love entertaining foreigners. Furthermore, I can assure you, you can trust the mortal to House Dimitrescu. My
Bone
daughters
doll.
and I shall deliver to you the finest.
I want to see.
You mean...
He's away.
You mean... Both of you shut the fuck up!
What? Where?
You mean you'll screw around with him in private, and where's the fun in that? Give him to me, and I'll put on a show that everybody can enjoy.
Ugh, so gauche. What do we care?
Is
for
that
bread and
Asterian's voice
circuses?
actor?
The man thinks suffering is assured.
Yak, yak, if a man's dick is cut off in the castle, blah, blah, blah.
I've heard all your arguments. Some of you were less persuasive than others, but I've made my decision. Heisenberg, the man's fate is in your hands.
Mother Miranda, I must protest. Heisenberg is but a child, and his devotion to you is questionable. Give the mortal to me, and I will ensure he is ready.
Shut your damn hole! And don't be a sore loser! Go find your food somewhere else.
Quiet now, child. Adults are talking.
I'm the child. You're the one who's arguing with Miranda's decision.
You wouldn't know responsibility if it was welded
Oh,
to
keep growing! One day your head might actually fit your ego!
Hey, don't I get a say in this?
Silence! My decision is final. There will be no argument. Remember from whence you came.
Thank you. Huh. Lycans and gentlemen, we thank you for waiting. And now let the games begin. get ready.
No! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Showtime!
All right.
Jesus Christ!
That's right. Run for your life. Very nice, Ethan.
Oh, maybe they're not the same guy after all. No! Oh, Jesus Christ. What? This was wolves and giant hammers.
You're still alive?
In this game.
Impressive.
Such an easy joke to make.
Sorry.
Such an easy, low-hanging fruit, if you get what I mean.
Oh my God.
Shit!
My word. You truly are as strong as they say. Oh, you didn't think I'd let you get away,
that.
did you? Gotta keep Donna and Moreau entertained. So now it's time for the beautiful,
Is that gonna be enough?
blood-soaked grand finale.
Yeah, that'll be enough.
Nothing like fresh American ground beef!
Too close. Wait, do those freaks have Rose?
Alrighty, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh. Way out? Yeah, that's the way out. All right. Everyone leads Lady Dominatrix in their life. I don't know. Oh no, she seems to be fairly man-hatey. I don't think everyone needs her in their life.
I've been waiting for you, Mr. Winters.
How do you know my name?
Anyone who is anyone has heard of the likes of you. A hero searching for his daughter. Though I must say, that castle arouses suspicion.
Yeah, and so do you.
I am but a humble merchant.
Here?
Oh, forgive my manners. Call me the Duke. Now to business. Weapons, ammunition, healing salves, anything you desire, I can provide.
Okay. As much as I would like to continue, it's now 12:30. And I am finding myself unable to focus or pay attention. So I think this is where we're gonna end it. I will continue playing this game on the next stream. Let's see if there's someone we can raid.
Xenophon is live. Oh, no, never mind. They went off live.
One of my friends is still alive though.
Oh, swag.
I'm gonna raid Lost again.